drives here with the former barangay captain, Mrs. Neneli Chaco and EPs. I think they met somewhere, tapos they decided, kasi the city of Makati, parang they wanted to promote it here in Makati. Since Bel Air is one of the richest barangay and one of the number 1 barangays, Mayor Binay decided it to make the parang promo or the trial period in Bel Air. So that's why 2 e-jeepneys was lent to us for 2 months, but it was extended up to 6 months. Routes of the jeepneys. One is from Zodiac to Solar, then one is from Solar to Rockwell back here. That is from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Kasi yun yung peak hour. So yung mga residents or mga workers who are in the gate, they can be dropped by dun sa pinakamalapit nilang gates or streets. They will just walk na lang. Kasi we don't have tricycles inside the village, di ba?
Pero before the e-jeepney, there's really a shuttle inside Bel Air. So because of the e-jeep, it was really
Parang nagkaroon lang ng temporary shuttle, pero wala namang bayad. Libre nga kasi nga promotion.
So how was the experience with the e-jeepney?
Actually, it's okay. It's a nice one. Walang ingay, walang usok. But, ang problema mo nga lang dyan, you have to charge it 8 hours. So, if it is operational from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m., so by 5 p.m. up to the next day, it's being charged na. Kasi there are 12 batteries of a vehicle na nandoon. So, parang cellphone. Hanggang 8 hours lang talaga. So, if you use that outside, pag nag-stop ka ng 8 hours, titigil ka kung nasaan ka ng 8 hours just to charge the e-jeepney. So, if you're going to Baguio, it take mo siguro 3 days dahil mag-charge ka kung saan ka abutin ng 8 hours, di ba?
So, preferably yung mga village use lang talaga
Oo,
siya.
kung ganon, super lang dito. Pero kung pwede naman din gawing public utility vehicle, kaya lang nga, charge ka sa gabi. Wala nang gasoline, but it's the electric consumption. Pero hindi naman siya that expensive na mag-shoot up yung electric consumption.
So, yung charging niya, parang yung kasi pinaplug ko siya.
Sa regular socket.
Ganun.
Malaki, I don't know where it is. Maybe it's with the purchasing officer. Ganyan lang siyang kalaki. Na parang mabigat na.
So, pwede pong portable yun?
Oo.
Nagbabiyahe ka?
Oo, dadali mo talaga yun. Dahil pagka na-stopan ka, saan ka mag-charge? Hindi, ibang charger niya, hindi charger ng phone niya. Mas malakas ang gasolina compared to like riding in a jeepney, but it's much more less noise. Kasi siyempre, the regular jeepney, ingay-ingay, ito wala. Para lang, have you ridden a golf cart? It's like that. Medyo lumaki lang nga. Okay. Kasi ang golf cart, I think 1 battery lang. So ito, 12 batteries para mag-cash.
Pero mabilis din po siya.
Oo, mabilis din. It's kasi naman ano lang yun eh. Wala nang cambio-cambio. It's gas, brake, gas, brake, gas.
Automatic.
Parang ganun. Pero kung ako magdadrive, disaster.
Ilan mo ba kasha in one jeep?
12. 12 to 14 kasi meron sa unahan pa.
Ngayon ba nagcha-charge here ng fee for sa shuttle? Wala?
Hindi pa. Kasi nga, hindi pa operational. During the time that it was set here for free for the use of the residents, we don't also charge. Actually, ang sabi ng barangay captain, he don't intend to have a fare for that. It's just intended for the senior citizen or for the house help who goes to the market. Basta it's all only in the morning. From gate to here, ganun lang. Or yung mga nagwo-work sa Salcedo, from here to Salcedo, yung mga point na. But I don't know if they will be charging. Pero sabi niya sa akin, wala pa. Walang plano siya magpa-charge. But we have to schedule pa kasi the one who will be driving that are the maintenance. Since ang maintenance is up to 5, so we might schedule their time. Diba? Na 8 hours din, something like that. Ang problema lang dyan, pag nasira isa mong battery, kasi 12 battery siya no? Titigil ka na. Hindi mo na siya maitutulak. Not like the other cars, you can ask somebody to help you. Please push. It will really stop where it is. Hindi katulad ng trendy motorcycle, di ba? Pag naubusan ng gasolina, pwede mong gawin siyang bike. Ito, pro pa rin.
And during the test run nangyari po yun?
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi pa naman.
Kasi nga, at bawal siyang mabasa ng julan.
Oh.
Kasi mababasa ang battery, okay?
Oo nga.
Something like that.
So, hindi nga siya pwede sa baha.
Oo.
Sabi ko,
Pwede siguro, you will, if they will create another one na i-high nila yung battery, something like that. Kasi na-advise sa amin, pag jumujulan, farking siya, okay?
Saan po ba nakalagay yung battery?
Doon sa not in the harap.
sa ilalim.
Sa flooring, o yung, yung chair, yung sitting capacity. So when you lift the chair, it's there.
Ah.
6.
Oo.
Umiinit yung puwet nung...
Hindi naman.
And
Hindi
then,
pa ako nasunod eh.
di ba naman?
Lang siya.
It can go as fast as you can. Kaya na siguro, hindi pa naman kasi kami speed limit naman inside the village, like 30 kilometer lang pinakamabilis. So we can use 30 here. I don't know outside kung hindi pa namin natatry talagang zoom siya. Actually, when our contract is finished na with them, they put all the 3 dun sa MAPSA. It was a parang pilot drive of Mayor Binay to do Salcedo, Legazpi. And since they offered us half of the price of the 2-1 that we're using, so ayun, pinull out na namin yung 2. I don't know the other one.
Kung may...
We were given half of the price kasi nga gamit na gamit na. Pero pag bago, I think mahal. Almost, if I'm not mistaken, parang more than $500,000.
Walang yung tax.
Depends on the barangay budget. Siyempre, kahit may plano ka, kung wala kang budget, hindi. So as of now, yung budget lang is for the 2.
Ma'am, lumabas po sa news at sa media na April 30, 2008, na-approve po siya ng DOTC, tapos binigyan na siya ng plaka ng LTO. So ano pong nangyayari after ng approval na yun?
Actually, that is only in the news. Okay? Hindi, that is not true. Kasi as of now, ang hirap talaga ayusin ang papers niya.
So wala pa rin po siya.
So wala
May papers na kami. Meron na rin kami, nakakuha na kami ng registration eh. Parang kotse yan, bago mo makuha yung plaka, when? This is a different plate. Hindi to regular car na or PUJ jeepney. This is the first time that they're gonna have e-jeepney. I think they're gonna have a different
Orange.
category of the plates na. Kasi magkakaroon na rin ng sa tricycle, di ba? Sa Palawan, gano'n. So, iba na rin yung category. So, I don't know with DOTC. Pero naayos na yung registration.
Natigil ulit because
Siguro
of
may
the...
2 months na. Kasi nga, 1 month na wala na sa amin. Tapos 1 month na pinapaayos pa. Like yung sticker, kapapalit lang. Siyempre, the sticker that was on it was the green piece. Eh, siyempre, Bel Air na kami. Gusto ni Sir yung sticker. Bel Air, about Bel Air, di ba?
Hindi.
Every morning, tinetest drive yan.
Okay.
Oo,
Tinetest
nung
drive
mechanic.
pa rin. So,
Oo,
parang
syempre
kotse
naman.
pa rin.
Kasi if I'm not mistaken, may mga e-jeepney rin sila in other areas. Kaya lang, kumbaga ang Bel Air lang ang sumobra, ang daming promotion. Kaya kami yung dinudumog. The other areas, hindi nakaka-promote. Kaya hindi nila alam na, ay, meron pala rito, meron pala doon. Oo, talaga lang in the news, from the start, nag-full blast sa Bel Air.
Makati, oo.
Traffic
Malabo.
na may tumitigil kung saan-saan, tapos hindi mo na matutulak.
Dito kasi
Hindi,
tao
siguro naman as the years goes, ma-i-improve nila yung quality, yung mga kung ano-ano nila. Pero as of now, syempre, yan pa lang yung anong capacity niya, mga